Hi everyone. In this video, I will show you how to download Proton VPN on PC. So all you have to do here is you just have to go to any web browser. You can just go to your Google web browser, and then this time you have to look for download VPN or download Proton VPN to be exact. Now you will see this first site right here. And all you need to do is to click this one. It will take you directly to their homepage. Now in their homepage, you will see the download option. So basically you can select what type of Windows or PC you're currently using right now. So I'm going to click the first one right here. You should see a notification above that it is now starting to download. Click the folder and then run this as administrator. All you have to do is to click OK and just follow the instruction right here. Now, once you're done, and then all you have to do is to basically sign up or create an account. Now, Proton VPN will ask you to subscribe to their plan, but you can start with the sign up for free. But of course, features are limited. So all you have to do is to sign up if you don't have an account or log in if you have an account already. So if you tap this create an account right here, again, it will show up this land, but you can tap on sign up for free. And all you need to do is to continue with the free version. And basically that's it. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.